Well, I guess you could say, welcome back, Kyobo. Kyobo is a Korean bookstore chain, and they make ebook readers, kind of. They made one 12 years ago, essentially took a decade off, and here they're back with the Sam 7.8 plus second. Stay at moment. I'm not picking up what they're putting down, but don't forget that, everybody. Stay at moment. Fantastic box. I love it. Very textured, very thick, very high quality cardstock. Very nice. This, everyone, looks like it's a voucher. We had to cut that because it had a redemption code on it, but you get yourself a voucher when we go ahead and do a giveaway on this. It looks like it comes with a case. That's awesome. Well, you know what? I mean, we've never had any of these devices in our hands before, so let's check it out all the same. We have to see what is going on inside with everything, and it looks like we may have a informative card. We don't. Oh, what is this? Oh, a screen protector? Look at that. Okay, it's really, really thin. I don't know if that's really a screen protector. What is going on here with this packaging? We have plastic, and we have this weird paper combobulation. Wow, okay, what is this? All right, looks like, oh, it has a little magnet snap for the rail. That's nice. And then it goes on the front like that. Okay, this is really confusing. Let's check it out. In every moment that makes me what? Is that it? Is that the whole thing? Oh, and now it's factory sealed inside this box. Man, South Korea uses a ton of plastic. At the convenience stores in South Korea, you actually grab a plastic cup, you fill it with ice, you get a plastic cap, a plastic straw, and then another plastic little pouch that has sauce or syrup in it, and that's what makes your fruit drinks at some convenience stores. They use a ton of plastic over there. We have yet another box with a foam insert, and this, everyone, is the Sam. What do we have here? Are we using wax paper here? No, that's just plastic as well. Oh, I see an SD card, but let's put that off to the side. We have a quick start guide. Do we have some English on this? No, just the words quick start guide are in English. The rest is in Hangul, Korean. So we have no style. Oh, right, the stylus is separate. So USB-C in there and the documentation. All right, put this off to the side. Let's check out the unit. Then we'll go really quickly into the stylus and see what's up. This is the Sam. And let me just look at it for 1 second here. I have never seen this build before, so I can say that with these very thick double bezel that wraps around from the back, the way that the speakers are tooled, yeah, I've never seen this before. So this looks to be either an unknown unit that a manufacturer has made, or they made it from the ground up. So you get stereo speakers, you get a soft touch button, you get USB-C, and that could be a hard reset or a status indicator light, I'm not sure, and you get a power button up top. Now let's snap it into the, oh, look at that, just grabs it, really strong magnets, and that closes it like that. Beautiful package, actually. This is really nice, and you get that micro SD on the side there, as we said, so that's great. What we want to do before we turn it on for the first time is we want to check out the stylus pen, which I am certain is just that, which is the one that everyone uses. So let's see what we got. It's actually pretty short. This might be the Top Joy one. Nope, it's the one that I shouldn't have changed my answer on. This pen, Pocketbook uses it, High Read uses it. When a company doesn't know what pen to use, they use this one. And this one's from 2013, and there's nothing special about it. I don't want to downplay it. It does everything. It's got the button, it's got a button at the back, it's got a little lapel clip. I mean, that's it. So let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time and see what we can see, and hope to goodness it's in English. All right, well, this looks exactly like the Meebook OS, and if it goes to the next screen and it says, would you like to skip Wi-Fi, then we know we have some Meebook shenanigans going on. There it is. Okay, so they obviously either pulled from there or are affiliated with them to some degree, because that is the Meebook OS. That's the P line that they now encompass and incorporate into the M line. So we're just going to choose a 3x3, skip over that. We're going to complete everything. That looks like Meebook every day of the week. Okay, this is looking more like a P78 than anything else. And we'll get into all that in the full review. This looks exactly like a Meebook. Oh my goodness, it is! Okay, we're gonna have to make sure we see, before we say anything conclusively, if they are using the exact same OS or if they're collabed with them to any degree, but this is everything for now that comes in the box with the Sam 7.8 inch second by Kyobo. The once thought dead company comes back with a unit that looks like it's from 3 years ago, but we'll have to wait and see until we get into the full review.